This is the light from the RECA company. And you can see the condition after using in maintenance area. So it was used just 3 months in the maintenance. This light is still working, as you can see, but the condition is really wrong. It's working. It's also working very well. Intensity. It's working too. But this rubber isn't very good quality. It's good. Should be better. It could be better. Charging. Still working. Magnet just stickers. So if you want better quality, you have to buy or use more money, and I don't know if it's possible to find something better